Hello, this second clip video. Um, I want to show you how to draw section. Um, Before we draw the dimensions, I think the section should be given first. All right. So for this, they ask you to draw full section by using cutting plane. Cut the object from top view through the center of the circle with scale 1:1. From the top view, you can choose the center point like the maybe this center point, maybe by this. Okay, this way, and then to this, or maybe this way. Maybe you can see by this way draw to show by along the objects. It could be maybe here. You can choose the two of them. So for this clip video, maybe I choose this one. I choose this one. Okay, this way. You can choose this way or this way. Um, Maybe if you see on the top, maybe I will choose this way. I will draw in this style of the cutting plane. All right. So you see from the top by this way, by the section AA. So the view you can see, the sectional view is similar to side view. Okay, we can copy the side view to draw the section view. All right, but by the way, if you do by this way, the view could be similar to this front view. So you can copy the front view to show this section view. All right, so I choose the section AA. We're gonna draw the cutting plane. Okay, we're gonna draw the cutting plane. So you have the center line here. Okay, you have the center line here. You can extend it. Okay, to outside. Maybe from this point to outside is about not 5. I'm sorry. I'm not sure how to use this. I try 20. Maybe 15. Okay, just a little bit out of the objects. Okay, out of the view. So it's 50, 15. Um, 20 is better. I think 20. Yes, 20. If you don't have the center mark here, you want to draw the cutting plane, you can draw by center line. Okay, you can draw center line, and from this center line we will extend the thick line. Okay, the thick line about 10 millimeter. So we go home and center line, choose cutting plane and line to this way. Okay, you can choose the restrict cursor by choose 10, enter. So you will be about a thick line at the both end, 10 millimeter. Right, then we're gonna draw an arrow. Okay, an arrow. You see how to draw arrow? Arrow will be point here in the middle of this thick line. So I use the projection. Okay, projection line. This how to draw an arrow. We show you by this. We have the thick line for 10. Okay, we're gonna start an arrow from here by using the projection lines at the midpoint here. Okay, an arrow could be 1, 3. You see an arrow? Here is 1, here is 3. Alright, so we offset this center to above is 0.5 and below 0.5, and from this line to be 3. So you got this 1 and this 1, 3, and we're gonna make the line, the boundary line of the arrow, and we put the hatchings by solid hatchings, solid hash here. Okay, let's just see. Offset 0 point through first, sorry, through. Oof. And this middle. Okay, after that, from this by the distance 0.5 above and 0.5 below. Okay, and from this is 3. You can use 2.5 as well, or 3. Okay, but roughly 1/3 scale for this arrow. And then we draw the line. We use visible, not visible. We use the dimension line for an arrow. Dimensions, right? Use the narrow line. Put here. Maybe turn off the restrict to draw the inclined line. So you got an arrow. Enter here and extend the tail. Maybe restrict first about 5. Okay, 5. Enter. All right, and you can see the arrow by turn off the lamp here, and then please see how to do the hatch or section line by this. Okay, drop down, you can choose hatching, gradient, boundary. In the hatchings, you press hatching and you can see the different style of the section line or hash style. You can choose anything here, but for me I choose solid. Okay, solid, and then you can put here, right, and enter. Yes, an arrow is there. All right, so for the opposite side of arrow, we can copy this to press down, copy, and then choose this and right click, choose the base point here, and then move to here. Okay, and enter. All right, we got it. and then the text A, okay, can put it by text, and then more closely around here, and then extend the window of the text. Then press A, so A here, finish, and just copy this A to below. Maybe use this one for the base point. The tail, you can press the same position when you relate to the arrow. Okay, section AA is finished. It seems to be small, a little bit small. We can change the scale after this. Change the scale of text. Okay. When we print out, let us see this. Maybe it's okay. All right. By this cutting plane, then we will draw the sectional view. The sectional view we are choosing now, the section A, is similar to side view, so we can copy the side view, okay, along the projection of the side view. Please do not forget to restrict this. Then copy this, right click, select the base point, and move. Okay, move a little bit. You can choose um, where the portion of the section will maybe I put here is okay, or maybe here is okay. Alright, just use the grid to help us to put the good metaphors. Maybe here. Okay, so we will modify this one to be sectional view. So let you imagine that after you cut this and see in this way, you will see something change from dashed line to be a visible line. So let me change the dashed line first to be visible line will be this and this. You choose three of them. So now there's dashed line. So you change it to be visible line by changing this property. And let I draw some things like we cut there. It will be maybe we show in the 3D. It will be like this. So it's no line here. Is you can see you can see this hole after the cut, and then it's like this section. All right, section view. This one is AA. So the plane of cuttings could be through this way. Okay, this plane. So here we are put the H line on this plane. Okay, it's look like this and see the center line like this. So the side view could be, maybe now we use trim to cut this. Okay, and this. All right, and then hatchings, and then choose the style. For general, we use ANSI 31 here. Okay, and press here. But before you put it, you have to change to be sectioning. Okay, sectioning. Hatchings here. ANSI. Sorry, I want to maybe click here first. Then no change anything. When you click here and then do not enter, you see the difference. I will show you where I could enter. When I click choose here and then I choose here, and after that I enter. This two of section view will be one. You see, when we select this, it could be one. By the way, if you choose the hashings, choose NSIs, you do here and you enter, it will be one, and you do it again and you enter, this could be one. Okay, it's two separated to each other. So you can choose one or two sections, but for me I think they are could be the one. So check here and then check here and enter. Okay, here should be one. Finish. But for the size, we are this line is over. So let I edit this by, oof, sorry, uh, back. Just move is okay. Just changing this point to be here. Okay, good. This way as well. Restrict off, and this one snap off and perpendicular. Okay, sectional view may be finished after we put the text. Cap lock section space A dash A. Okay, and you can move it maybe to the center. Now here, a little bit more, move to this. Okay, all right, but you can shorten this one as well. Okay, Okay, now section AA finish. So the full section through this center point finish in this script video. See you next script video for dimensionings.